Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaya and let's get into this look. For our eyes, the palette that we're going to use today is our Morphe eyeshadow palette Second Nature 3502, and the first color that I picked up was this is the first color I picked up right here. This is going to serve as my neutral. The reason I like this color as my neutral is because I don't know if you can tell, but my skin has a orange undertone. So this is a brown that has some orange undertone in it, and it just serves as a great neutral for me because it goes so well with my skin. Y'all can see, super cute. The next color that I'm gonna pick up in my Second Nature palette is going to be this color right here. It's this very first color. We're gonna pick this up right here. You see I already reached pan with this. I use this brush. And I'm using, this is the brush I'm using. It's from, I think from Real Technique. I'm not sure, this brush is so old. But it's the perfect brush because it has this flat top. It's the perfect brush for me to just pat stuff in, because that's what we're gonna do with this color. Look at that. Like, the colors in this palette, I will say, are top tier. They just melt into each other, the Morphe palette. But I dragged this color out past the edges because I want to make sure that there's a difference between that neutral tone color that we have here and then that color, this color. This, when I say like it's a beige color that we have on the lid. I'm going to use my Epic Ink Liner in black from NYX. That's the best liner I've done in a while. Liner is on both eyes and she looks really good. I'm gonna use my Patrick Ta palette in Major Dimension 3 palette because look at this palette, girl. Beautiful! So he's definitely gonna do what we need him to do. I'm gonna add some powder on top so that it looks more of like a powder. And I'm gonna drag this a little out so that it's a perfect little point. Wow, look at that. Look at how nice that liner looks, and then how it, you know, this side looks. You can see the difference. So the lashes I'm going to use are going to be these lashes from Sephora. They are the Charming. Okay, the lashes are on and very cute, if I may say so myself. So for foundation, we're going to do Estee Lauder Doublewear foundation in the color 7W1. Alright, and I'm blending her with a sponge. That's a little bit damp because it helps the product kind of absorb into my face better. For contour, we're going to be using our Fenty Creme Cheeks Out from Fenty. It's a cream. I don't want to say it's a cream. Let me see actually what she says. It's a cream bronzer actually. I'm going to warm this up even more. And this is very buildable. I'm using quite a bit, as you can see, but I really want there to be, since it is nighttime, I just want there to be a really high cheek look. As you can see, I already kind of have a natural contour to my face, which is nice, so I just kind of follow that. It looks very harsh right now, but it's all blendable. Don't worry. Girl. I'll just go ahead and add a little bit of contour bronzer up here for the forehead, just a small bit, not a lot. So that is done. For concealer, we're going to use our Born This Way from Too Faced in the color Chestnut. So now we're gonna move into our blush. Start with my Sephora Lip Stain in the color 79. Putting her right here at the top. Now when I blend, I'm keeping her right in her place. She's gonna stay in her place. And I'm gonna blend out the edges. You see that? She's staying in her place. But I'm gonna blend out these edges around her. Next color I'm going to take is my Juvia's Place. This is a very rich pink in the color Pink Lady. Just going to add her right here. Okay, I'm going to try her right there first, and then I'll figure out if I want to continue to do that. And I'm doing it with the same brush that I used for the first one. Ooh, like I said, she's a big girl. And I'm blending her up a little bit because I don't want her too far on my cheek, down on my cheek, you know? I want her to continue to be where she needs to be. I'm gonna blend her, and then I'll blend the edges like I did before to make sure there's no harsh lines of demarcation, which for this one, you're gonna have to work to make sure you blend her out, just so you know. But she's cute once she is blended, to say the least. Cute. And I'm gonna take the brush and wipe off the extra product, and then go. Alright, I turned my lighting up so y'all can kind of hopefully see a little bit better, but yes, the colors are coming together. The last color that I'm going to put on there is my Sephora Lip Stain in the color 67. That's how she looks. And I just want her on top because she's matte. So I'm going to start her right about here. She's pretty easy to blend out. I'm using a new brush because, yeah, like I said, the Juvia's, I like it because it's so pigmented, but sometimes I'm like, girl, she goes all over the place. So cute. Oh my God, look at, all right, to set our blush, we are going to be using Patrick Ta blush palette. Ew. This is in She's a Doll. I'm just gonna use the blush, the powder blush on top. Not a lot. This is actually another very pigmented one too, but she helps to mute some of the tones, so I like her. So I'm just gonna lightly put her on top. That's it. And then to set underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use my One Size powder in the color Ultra Pink. And I set my blush with this as well. Oh, she's adorbs. I'm gonna use One Size Dark Deep for the rest of my face. To finish off powders, we're going to use our Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in the color 40. And this is just going to seal everything in for us. I'm going to pick up a shimmer. I'm going to just do the one next to it. I put that same shimmer on my cheeks a little bit just to add like a small little glow. Not too much. I didn't want to do too much. So just to add just some, I don't know, a little something something. It's cute. I like it. All right, y'all, for lip, I am going to start with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London. We're gonna go in with a dark brown liner on top. And then we're gonna do our Fenty Gloss Bomb on top. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it to be helpful. Comment below if you have any questions. Like always, the details will be and the products will be listed in the description box below. But yeah, we're about to head out to the bar, the country bar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I will see you guys in the next video.